Come test drive the 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, heated and cooled front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.